Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to find legit trading tips and ideas on the TradingView app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the TradingView app, then go to the ideas tab, which is on the middle of the screen. And here, as you can see, you can choose from the editor's pick ideas and from the popular list. You can browse both of them, and here you can find some amazing trading tips and advice and investment strategies, even some courses and some lectures around trading. So I think this is a very nice and useful resource, and you can start learning here. And obviously you can find teachers and mentors from here, and you can go on from that. But this is a very nice basis to start. And obviously you can also rank all the resources by the date. So if you set it to newest, it's going to show all the different resources in chronological order. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.